everybody, and today we are playing Epic Mini Games once again. Well, right now the mini game is Revolution Q. Well, let's see how it works. A Q will revolve in 6 seconds. Survive and avoid falling. Ooh. You have 60 minute left to avoid falling. Oh, that's so you would want to go over here. You don't always want to because you have that. Okay, you always want to stay near an edge. Okay, you want to go over here. Maybe not much. Okay. Okay, nope. Get me up here. Get me up. No, I died. Dang it. That one's hard. That one is hard. Oh my gosh. I'm just looking at my daily missions, like win 5 mini games in a row, win platform peril, and win 10 mini games. Jeez. Oh my gosh. Okay, so you have Cliffside Chaos. I think you can actually like walk off the edge, like you can just walk off. I'm serious about that too. Who is that guy there? I mean, like that gold block up there. I want it. Oh god, don't go that one. Go on this. What? How did I die? How did I die? What? I just randomly died. How is that even possible? What? Bruh. Metal guitar, dragon's head cannon, laser finger pointers. Don't want them to be pointing at me. Okay. Let's see. Got a bunch of sparkles, got my pet cat right here. Let's move on. Oh my god. What type of pet do they? Oh my gosh, they have a skunk. Oh god. We'll see how that goes. Okay. Next minigame will be chosen in 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Crystal clear. I can sometimes win. I'm not always the best at it, but I can win at times. Time to time. But it is a fairly easy one. Because there's usually always going to be one that spawns near you. But it's always like a race to it. Always. Oh, there's a crystal over there. I won't make it. Gotta think smart and try to see where. Oh my gosh. No way. How did that guy not see the crystal over here? This is my crystal only. You missed it. Yo, that guy was just completely oblivious to the fact that that crystal was right behind him. Until I started running there. It's just like, he was like, huh? Okay. We're in water. Why is my cat head in? Cats hate water usually. Some cats actually really love water. Oh, look at him. He looks so cute. So cute. No. Wait, I wonder if you can actually like, where's, where? Nope. Gear, now I want to go into my effects. I'm just like going straight to effects, like cool. Epic Faces 13,000? Jeez. given 5 pickaxe seconds. Be the first to mine the hidden emerald. Oh my gosh, how do you seconds find it? Bro. Oh my gosh. How? I never understand how people can just find it so easily. It's just, it confuses me every single day. Clicking a hat. Clicking a hat. Witch's brew. Light show will begin in 8 seconds. Stay in the dark. Try. I will try. Okay. Boom. Boom. No, dang, I jumped too early. Yes. 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 Yeah. Yes. Made it again. Woo. Yeah. Woohoo. Let's go. Oh yeah. Let's go. Sweet honey. Let's go. Yeah. Oh my gosh. How are we actually doing it? How are we doing it? What? How? Oh my gosh. Oh my god. I'm not speaking. Oh. Oh. Yes. Oh. Yeah. GG. GG. Oh my gosh. No way. No way. Bowling bustle. This is actually pretty easy to win. Like it's not too hard, not too easy. It's just it's like the right spot for it to be. Yeah, exactly. I'll show you in a second because it's actually since the bowling ball goes really slow, you can really like avoid being hit really easily. Oh sweet, we won. I just died or left or something. That was really easy. Yeah, I think the person didn't want to be a bowling ball person. Yeah. Yeah, I just woke up like an hour ago. Still don't know why I'm yawning. Hard press. This one's actually kind of easy to win. Like, same one as before. Not too hard, not too easy. The draw presses will be operating in 7 seconds. A word can be flattened. So the controller's actually right there. Oh god, no. Like you climb up there and just like you're perfectly safe for the whole entire ride because you go up and down. Okay, actually I'm gonna stay here. Oh my gosh, so flattened. Oh my gosh, that was 3 people. 3 people just got flattened there. Yeah, you're dead. Yeah, you were dead. Oh god, no. No. Still no. Oh my gosh, are you serious? Same ones over and over again. Oh my gosh. What they should do is like bang, bang, then bang, because they're gonna push us going over here. Unless they can't do it. I mean, like, oh yeah, we won, sweet. GG. This is actually pretty easy for now. Don't want to jinx it. Cross your fingers. Knock on wood. Highest level players. Dang. My highest level is 10. Most wins this month. Oh my god. What? Oh, this month. Oh, this one. I don't like this one. I really don't like it one. I'm terrible at this one. No! Just turn! Man. Oh. You're got to be serious. No, no, you're going the other way. No, you're not going that way. You're going this way. And we have completely failed this level. Wait for this. And there we go. No! Dang it. There we go. Okay. There we go. I'm making it sort of, kind of, maybe. Okay. No! You have to go this way then. Okay. No, how did you win that thing? You have to time the path perfectly for you to actually make it. I don't understand how you could do it. Colossal Assault, that was actually pretty easy to win. I'm gonna say it right now, that was actually pretty easy. Oh my gosh, didn't even make it down the slide. Oh gosh, here we go. Volcanon will start to attack in 5 seconds. Touch the green weak spots when they appear. Stretching. Oh god. Oh my gosh, that was so close. Oh gosh. Oh, I think he just smashed him. There's another side to it. Oh my god. Touch it. Yeah! Sweet. Bang, bang, bang. Bang, bang, bang. Okay. Now his weak spot should come. There we go. And bang, bang, bang. Oh my gosh, when did he ever do 3 rounds? There's only 4 of us left. Okay. Ah! Yes! Yeah, we beat him! We beat him! Sweet! Gotta sip some of this chocolate milk. Yeah, dude. Chocolate milk. Sip it. Sip it real good. I gotta sip it. Sip it real good. Okay. Gear battle. Ooh. That seems actually. The battle's okay. I mean, I always hide during it because people. I'm terrible, and I mean like I'm terrible at games like that because I have no idea how to fight. I mean, I actually do. It's just that I don't want to fight. I mean, I don't have a way to put it clearly in a statement of where you guys can understand. I'm trying to think. I need to get rid of these sparkles because they're just gonna give away my hiding spot. Okay, how am I gonna get out? Oh my god, what is this? Ow. Okay, titles. I already, yeah, there it is. I have Alien. And there's Princess titled, oh my gosh. Player, oh my. Really? Wealthy? Jeez, that's 10,000. No wonder it says wealthy. Battle end. I got a rainbow. I got a heaven scythe. I don't even know what to do with this. Dang. Oh, choose out rainbows or whatever they're called. Lightning balls. Lightning balls to death. Like pain bows. Get it? Pain bows. Because it causes pain, but they're also rainbows. Get it? Okay. Bullet evasion. Absolutely terrible at this game. You have bullets coming at you from every single side. So it's not really like a bad thing to be bad at this game, if that makes sense. It's just, you won't be used to it. Okay. Okay, there we go. There it goes. You gotta run towards the bullets. You have to look another direction to see where it goes. Because they will always be firing. You have to look out everywhere you go. That guy's dead. Okay, we got 3 more coming in from over here. 2 coming in from over here. 3 coming in from over here. And I got 2 coming in from over there. I got 4 coming in over here. Another 3 coming in. 2, 3, 3. 2, 4, 2, 3. I won. Oh my gosh, only one that won. Oh my gosh. GG. GG. Next minigame will be chosen in 6 seconds. 4, 3, 2, 1. And it has been chosen. Minigame chosen. Destroy the statue. Nah. I don't want any of this pain with stuff. I can't believe people actually do pay to for that stuff. It's just so annoying. Because it's it's not right. It's in my world, it just ain't right. Okay, guys, come on. Seriously? We got one guy off somewhere else, super slow. Okay, we got one guy going out of nowhere. Okay, bruh. Shrek's off. Oh my gosh, why? Don't you destroy your own stuff? Oh my gosh, Kruzok, hit the statue. Yes, please. 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 Oh my gosh. Bruh. They got 2,000 more than us. That's what you get. That is what you get. Desert dehydration. Yeah. Yippee. Bloxy Cola. You will start dehydrating in 8, 7, 6. Drink Bloxy Cola to stay hydrated. When you ever need to drink Coca-Cola or like Bloxy Cola in this state and matter to survive, it's not something you would do every day. Like, give me it. No. Must have Bloxy Cola. No, that was mine. The only person that's surviving this long. I need a Bloxy Cola. Where is our Bloxy Cola? Bloxy Cola. And I should make it. Yes. Sweet, sweet money. I'm always gonna like make sure that I'm on low health when I drink them, because when you're on low health, you don't waste them as much. See, now that's thinking smart. Not hard, but smart. Yay, we won! Woohoo! GG. Okay. Win 5 minigames in a row. 1 out of 5. Win 10 minigames. 7 out of 10. Win platforms of peril. 0 out of 1. above water. Oh, no, 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 no. I am terrible at this game. Especially people who don't know how to shoot. Okay. Actually, that is actually pretty helpful. Are you serious? Oh, yes. No, 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 no. Bang. There. What? How? Oh my gosh, they had more players. I saw that. They had more players. Let's see how many players. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I swear they had more players. That just... Yeah, we had 4 players, and they had 6 or 7 or something. Mars will be released in 8 seconds to get as many as you can to your team's pocket. What I usually like to do is I like to do a strategy called cherry picking. It's also used, commonly used in soccer. It's basically where you make sure that the other team, like, you can like block them from having the ball. That's what I usually like to do because it's fairly simple to use. Come on, oh my god, my fish doctor is so bad. He's trying to push it into the blue one when he should be pushing it into the red one. Ah, my gosh, am I the only person who's actually blocking the other team from actually winning? Gee, many Christmas. Somebody needs to help us. No, my fish doctor. Stop pushing it into the blue one. Because I don't even want you as my fish doctor. There. Yay, we finally win a team activity. Jeez. Took forever. Sadly, guys, that has to be the end of the video. Hopefully you enjoyed this video. Like, subscribe, comment, hit the notifications button, and enjoy the rest of your day. See ya.